Hello, thank you for joining me. We're going to perform a ground fault test. The ground fault pickup is 30 amps. Enter 30. Then, we go to the ground fault icon, which is the far right one on the panel. You'll see here the 30 amps we entered. Next, we need to tell the system the max trip time. For example, if the max trip time is 220 milliseconds, we can enter that here. As you can see, when I do this, the software changes the ramp pulse time that we will be sending to something higher to ensure the pulses we send are long enough to trip the breaker. Let me reset the max time back to 100 milliseconds. Note that now, the software changes the pulse time to be shorter. It will send short pulses to reach 88% of the current threshold, and then begin sending pulses of 132 milliseconds, raising the current on each pulse until we get a trip. Let's go ahead and hit play to start the pickup test. It finds the current, then starts to send out the 132 millisecond pulses. Once we reach the trip point, it will record the current. Here it was 27.2 amps. Based on the test set output used to find the pickup, the software will know the output needed for the current selected for the timing test. Most people typically set these at 120%, or maybe even 150, depending on the value you want to test. You can adjust this value as desired. I simply hit play. It sends a pulse and records the time it took to trip. And that's how you perform the ground fault test.